Alright guys, so I have Jaleel sleeping behind me, so I have to be as quiet as I can but still, you know, effective. Excuse me. So I just have this cap on and I did not spray it down or anything. For this video I'm just going to be adhering the wig using the Got To Be freeze spray. Now my top, it fell, and the little circular part that's on everybody's own is not on mine because it broke off. So this is what it looks like, the Got To Be freeze spray. This is my Peruvian body wave from Sunber hair, and this is it in its natural state. I actually colored it last night. This wig was made by Here I Am on Instagram. I have her tagged on my post and she'll be tagged on this one as well on my Instagram. Because of my fingers, I'm tired of saying this, but I can't make my wigs now. So Here I Am makes my wigs for me, and this is what it looks like. I colored it with 40 volume developer and like the white powder, and I also did the back as well, just like a streak, just like a streak down the back. And I also very lightly colored the lace, very lightly. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on, but I have to have the fans on because I sweat like crazy. But for the application of this wig, I have to turn them off. One is on Jaleel and the other one is on me, so there are two fans. With this frontal, though, as you can tell, it's a frontal. I'll have the lengths linked below. But this frontal, the baby hairs are really long. So yesterday I actually plucked the frontal as well, you know, for more natural hairline. And yesterday I was plucking the hell out of this frontal, just to get rid of the long baby hairs. Let me show you what I mean. Like, these are hella long. So I'm gonna just go ahead and apply the wig. So what I tend to do, I just spray on the lace and kind of like work it. I'm spraying it right on the beginning of the, right on the front of the lace rather. So as usual, I'm just going to be tying this down. I don't have a blow dryer. So again, all I'm using is just like the Got To Be freeze spray. That's literally all I'm using. So yeah, I'm going to come back to you guys when this is a little bit situated. I normally wait for about 5 minutes at the least, but when I do this step, I normally either go eat something, finish doing my makeup, brush my teeth, get Jonathan ready for school, something, you know, and then I come back and I remove. Alright guys, so I want to talk to you a little bit about the quality of Sunber hair. Oh, by the way, this video is just going to be about this hair. I really hope you guys don't mind. And I have a confession to do after this video, right? So yeah, so this is what the color looks like. I mean, it would have been dope if it was the entire hair this color, but yeah. So this is the natural color, the natural curl pattern of the hair. The natural wave curl pattern to this hair, right? I love it. It feels really nice and thick. I believe this is 3 bundles and a frontal, but I'll know for sure in the description. I'll let you guys know for sure in the description portion of the video. If you guys can hear a fan going, I cannot explain to you how hot it is. So I actually have the fan pointing at Jaleel. I have this fan off so that you guys don't get a lot of disturbance throughout this video. Jonathan is going to check on his bubble. Right, so it's not my first time working with Sunber. I had this luscious curl from Sunber. If I can find the picture, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, it's from Sunber. They were called another company at this time. Oh my god, look at how skinny I was, but look at how juicy those curls are. Oh my gosh. So that was the hair. Now if you can tell, the frontal, it loses curl way quicker than the bundles, and I find that with wavy hair. So I don't tend to keep wavy hair in its natural state because of that, because I like when all the curl patterns match. I like if the hair is curly throughout, you know what I mean? So for this, what I would definitely do is wand this up, and I'll do that lightly. Now I wanted to do this kind of series where it's kind of like hair 101. I know it has been done before on YouTube. I know it has been done before on YouTube, but my thing is, if all you have or all you can afford is this after you spent your money on the wigs and then you make the wig, that in and of itself is a very huge investment, you know what I mean? But the good thing is Sunber hair, they really have affordable hair, and they have discounts as well. I'll put their discounts in the description bar, and all you have is this, and just like this, it's easier for it to work with sorry, than the got to be glued, you know, like the paste. It's this, the free spray is way easier to work with. As you can see, I just spray it at the beginning there, but if you want to go through and if you want to ensure that the hair is on securely, what you can do is the whole bald what you can do is the whole bald cap method. Now I don't do the bald cap method anymore because I just feel like I don't need to. I feel like what I do is sufficient by just taking off, just putting on the cap and just like working with the hair. So what I feel like what I do is sufficient. Yeah, so what I do is sufficient. It works for me and it's easy for me to do, especially now having Jaleel. Oh my god, you guys, I can't tell you how much I don't have time to do the things that I would usually do. It's like the ball cap method, all that good luscious stuff. Like mama don't have the time no more to do all of that. So what I do, I just put the cap on. I try to make it look sexy. I just put the cap on, and then I got the front and just like, as you guys saw, and it keeps it down. Now if you want the hair to stay on your head for a longer period of time, I would definitely suggest, as I was saying before, the bald cap method, and also using the got to be glued as well as the got to be spray. If you want me to do that for you and show you guys again in a little one-on-one series, I can do that. Now I'm taking this from the premise of me, one, I don't have enough time to do my hair, and I'm a mother of a newborn. At the time that he's sleeping, I would much rather be sleeping as well, you know what I mean? So this is just me trying to get glam and put myself together, being a newborn mom with Sunber hair. So now yesterday while he was sleeping, I just went ahead and colored it. Everything I do is while he's sleeping. This video is being done while Jaleel is sleeping. But yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. Phenomenal. I love it. Sunber, thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. I love it. I love the thickness of the Peruvian body wave. I love how it feels. I love how it took the color. It lifted so quickly. Look at that. And hence the color is so nice. I love how it lifted so quickly as well. So yeah, thanks again Sunber for sending me this here to review. Absolutely love it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.